exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. On this one, man, this is a bittersweet day, guys. Something's happening that I didn't think would happen, but I couldn't refuse it, guys. Let me just go ahead and mute this radar. By the way, it's very important. You got a car like this or any type of fast car, make sure you have a radar detector. They come in handy, and it saved me a few times. But with that being said, guys, I'm here to tell you once again, I am changing platforms, and this platform is the end, guys. Like I always say the end, but it never is the end. But I never wanted to leave this platform, but I did because of personal reasons way back in 2017. So I'm happy to be going back to this platform, guys. I don't think there's gonna be a new car on the channel. I think this may be my last vlog or one of my last vlogs, unless I just go in and, you know, do car events, things like that. I'm stepping away from vlogging. Gotta focus on, you know, regular life for a little bit. I may or may not come back to this, but I hope you guys enjoyed all the content that I brought you guys. As far as, you know, with the Hellcat, with the Scat Pack, with the Rango, with the M. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I brought to the table. You know, I gave you guys a perspective on me and all my cars, and, you know, I just wanted you guys to, you know, see what you can do to your cars, or, you know, be some inspiration, give you some ideas of what you can do to your car. This car, it's been great to me. Like, I love the M3. I love the M platform. Super fun. The car is fast, man. Trust me, the car is fast. But I'm gonna tell you guys something about just making financial sense. Sometimes you gotta reset, guys. Like, and I know where I'm trying to get to in the next 5 to 10 years. I needed a reset. Even though I just got the M and I did all these modifications to it, made the car faster, everything, made it look the way I wanted. Air suspension that's sitting on the sideline right now. Wheels, things of that nature. I kind of thought in the back of my mind, like, it's good and bad when you buy cars like this. The good is the fast cars, they're built well, things like that. The bad is when stuff do break, guys, it's expensive. Like right now, I got a check engine light. I think I might have told you guys in the vlog or whatever, but it's just an exhaust sensor for my exhaust. I think it's the secondary O2 sensor or something. But that's just from all the backfires and the burbles and all that. Nobody's gonna tell you that, but I'm telling you, it happened because of that. Also, I think it threw a code for like my intakes or something, because they're loose. One of them is loose, but I had purchased new intakes for the car, the front mount ones, you know, the ones behind your kidney grills. Haven't even been installed on the car, guys, so I got the new intakes. Air suspension sitting on the sideline. What else? The wheels are still coming, but I'm gonna have to possibly sell some of those things. Well, it's not possibly. I'm gonna have to sell some of them things, or all of them. I haven't decided yet. I know with the air suspension, I can keep the air management system, and I can sell the air struts and then buy whatever I need for this new car. Or I can just sell the whole kit together. I know there's somebody out there that wants to buy air suspension for an M3 F80 or whatever. So who knows? I'm gonna talk to my guy Zach and see what we could come up with. As far as the wheels, they should be able to transfer over to the new vehicle. The bolt pattern's the same. The only thing I have to worry about is the hub. If it matches up with the hub. If not, I might have to get it rebored, or if it's too small, I mean, if it's too large, I can just get some hub rings. to see if the wheels can fit on this new vehicle. But like I said, guys, it's gonna suck. It was fun being an M-boy. This car is one of the best handling cars I've ever owned in my life. Like I said, guys, this is the best handling vehicle that I've ever owned in my life, and I love the car all around. It's the best all-around vehicle I've ever owned. It's not the fastest. And like I told you guys before, my type of job that I have, I can't just be out racing everybody. I mean, I do it sometimes and I get a little reckless and I need to chill out, and that's another reason why I'm like trying to chill and just slow it down. Even though the new car I got is not a slow car, guys. It's not a slow car at all, and it has the potential to be a 1,000 horsepower car. It's just at this particular junction, I don't need it to be that. You know what I mean? The car is in pristine shape for its year. It's in pristine shape. Extremely low miles, guys. This car has extremely low miles for the year and age of this car. So I'm looking at like, well, this is what I wanted. I wanted to get in a car with low miles without having to buy a new car. And I wanted to get back to this platform that I'm getting ready to go back to. Because honestly, guys, after being on this side for about 10 months, as far as the, you know, the V6 twin turbo side and everything, all I gotta say is there's no replacement for displacement, and you can't recreate the sound of a V8. Like, you can't, not with no V6. Like, you can't recreate that sound. And like, I love the sound, I love the feel, I love everything about that side. So like I said, it was just time. And for credit purposes and things like that, it's going to free up a lot of things on my end. Well, not on my end. It's going to free up some things on my wife's end, so we can be able to maneuver a little bit more like how we want to, if her credit is free. So sometimes you got to sit back and reevaluate and rethink things, guys. So this next vehicle, yes, it's going to free up some things for us. It's going to allow us to do some other things, especially with us trying to do the business and everything. So with that being said, I'm not gonna tell you guys what the car is. I'm just gonna let you guys see when I take delivery of the car. I just wanted to check in with you guys. I will say this: I did almost buy a G80 M3. Now, the deal was already done. All I had to do was sign the paperwork, you know, put down the deposit, whatever. But me and my wife had a conversation. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of irritated me a little bit because I thought we was on the same page. But then she brought a different perspective to what I was about to do, and it made perfect sense, guys. So it's like, I'm so happy we had that conversation. I didn't go through with that deal. And like I said, like, I found a car that I really wanted, exactly the way I wanted. Exactly, to a T. It's a two-door coupe. It's black. It has the Alcantara steering wheel like I like. And like I said, the car is in so mint condition. Like, it was unbelievable when the guy told it to me. Before he even opened it up, I looked at it. I said, look, how many miles is on this? I wasn't even going there to see that car, guys. I was like, how many miles is on this? He was like, 6,700 or 6,600, one of those. I was like, ain't no way. Guys, we opened the car. I started the car. It's 6,600 miles on it. Interior, flawless. Like I said, everything that I wanted. The coupe already has exhaust on it. Already has, I believe, a pulley. Already has a green belt on it. Intake. Has all the things that I would do initially already on it. The only thing I probably do now is obviously try to get my wheels on there and probably ceramic coat the car, put the clear bra on it because I want to protect this thing. The car is beautiful. The paint is crazy. It's black with the flakes in it. It's just, man, this is definitely like a dream come true as far as my ultimate vehicle, like I said, that I never wanted to give up in the first place. I used to own one of these, but it wasn't the coupe, and it just, I don't know, it's just nostalgia for me. It's just, I love that car, man. When my wife saw it, she's the one that saw it, like I said to you guys, she loved it soon when she saw it. And then I was just like, I gotta have this. Like, it makes no sense. And the funny thing is, like, the paperwork is already signed and everything. Like, I'm gonna pay less for this car, for the new car, than I did for the M. So, like I said, guys, it was a blessing. God knew what I wanted in my heart. I kept talking about it for years. Like, me and my buddy Infamous would go back and forth about how I wish I would have never, you know, got rid of my old car. And I just love the platform, and it has massive, massive potential. Just with about $5,000-$10,000, the car has crazy, crazy potential. So we're gonna see where this goes. But like I said, this car is fully warranted, guys, top to bottom. 8 free oil changes. Initially, like, everything, bumper to bumper, gap. I got everything on it. And I couldn't be more pleased, guys. Like, they really looked out for me at the dealership. They understood, you know, where I was coming from, what I was trying to do. And like I said, this is going to create a better opportunity for me and my wife to, credit purposes, to do some other things, man. So I'm truly blessed, man. Thankful. I'm humble. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. Like I said, I kind of thought, like, you know, I'm done with YouTube, because it's just a grind, man. And I ain't got the time, to be honest. And, you know, the whole social media thing, it's a grind. Like, you got to constantly, you know, keep people aware, keep people know what you're doing. And it's like, man, it's just getting old. So it's like, I think I'm just gonna, like I said, leave my pages the way they are. I'm not gonna delete nothing, but I don't know if I'm gonna be entertaining the actual social media aspect of it, the actual, you know, YouTube aspect of it. I might just let it go, you know what I mean? Just let it just sit there and collect this little, you know, whatever it's getting. Because I stopped making money off YouTube, because obviously I stopped vlogging about a month and a half ago. I think that's the last time I vlogged. But I don't really make no money no more. But the money was only like $100, like, every 3 months. So it wasn't even nothing real serious. So I don't know, guys. Like I said, it take a lot of effort, time, and energy to put into something to make it, you know, work. So I just ain't got it. And I still got love for you guys. And like I said, YouTube is just fun to me. And who knows, I might pop on here every now and then with, you know, car meets or whatever, some type of car content. But who knows? If I don't, I don't. If I do, enjoy the content, man. Like, you can still reach out to me on social media. I'll reply, answer any questions you guys may have, man. But until then, man, peace.